If you want to learn how to style your curly units at home without paying anybody, then this video is for you. Watch to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. So I'll be using 2 leave-in conditioner, as you can see in the video, 1 serum detangling brush. These are 4 items I'll be using for this unit. So now I'll have to mix them inside water. So you have to start by sectioning. You have to section the hair. You have to bring out the ones that you want to work on, the section that you want to work on. This is me using the mixture. So watch till the end.
I think it's hair soap. It's hair soap. You know how hair soap. And this shampoo.
Why you not do the spray one?
No, I don't like the spray one. I like using this so that water will penetrate everywhere.
Wow! Don't you like it? I think this is what you get after using conditioner and water.
Yeah, baby.
This is what you get after using conditioner and water and serum.
You got it.
This serum
Don't show there the product.
and this type of conditioner, this type, and so
This is the final look, baby.
this is what you go get after using shampoo and
That's not shampoo.
Conditioner.
and this is what you get
Don't
after
worry,
using
voice
2
over for me, okay?
conditioner and serum.
So this is the final look.
Settle next year. So luckily she don't come yesterday.
I
So
will,
Nami go call accuse her and I say, "Person do your hair finish."
I go even, as I'm even going out now, I want to get